What if I told you ChatGPT just lost its job to another AI? Yep, we've officially reached the AI eating AI stage, and things are getting wild.
The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused on competing to win.
Let's talk about DeepSeek because it is mind-blowing and it is shaking this entire industry to its core. The emergence of DeepSeek now putting pressure on the U.S. tech names. We told you all about it last week in Davos. The buzz started growing about DeepSeek's latest AI model being more efficient while running on a lot less advanced Nvidia.
But hold up, it gets worse. This new AI, DeepSeek, just obliterated the stock market, wiping out over $1 trillion in value, with Nvidia alone losing more than $600 billion in market cap. That's right, the company that was printing money from AI chips just had one of the biggest stock crashes in history, all because of this new technology. So what the heck is DeepSeek? Why is it freaking out investors? And if you're planning a career in AI, should you be excited or should you start looking for a backup plan? Buckle up, because this is about to get crazy. The AI hype bubble just exploded. You know how everyone's been hyping AI like it's the second coming of the internet? Well, turns out if you build an entire industry on a flawed idea, the market tends to freak out when a better solution comes along. For the past few years, companies like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic have been burning billions training massive AI models, bigger, faster, and more expensive with each new version. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they're all built on the same fundamental principle: scrape insane amounts of internet data and use brute force computing to predict the next word in a sentence. But here's where DeepSeek changes everything. Unlike ChatGPT, DeepSeek doesn't just copy-paste human text more efficiently, it actually thinks for itself. Wait, DeepSeek actually thinks? Alright, don't panic, it's not sentient yet, but instead of just memorizing human language like a giant autocomplete machine, DeepSeek uses reinforcement learning to develop its own strategies. That's a game changer. Think of it like this: if ChatGPT is like a super fast parrot, DeepSeek is more like a kid learning through trial and error, except this kid never sleeps, never forgets, and doesn't need to read Wikipedia 10,000 times to learn something new. Instead of relying on massive amounts of data and GPUs to function, DeepSeek gets smarter through experience, just like how humans learn, and that's bad news for any company still stuck in the bigger is better AI arms race. Why Nvidia and Big Tech just got wrecked. Okay, now let's talk money, because this is where things get insane. DeepSeek's arrival triggered a massive sell-off in tech stocks, wiping out over $1 trillion in market value across multiple companies. But Nvidia got hit the hardest, losing over $600 billion in market cap. And here's why. One, Nvidia has been the biggest winner of the AI boom. Every AI company buys their GPUs like they're selling oxygen, and as AI models got bigger, Nvidia's stock kept skyrocketing. But DeepSeek's method, it doesn't need as many GPUs. If reinforcement learning takes over, AI companies won't have to spend billions on hardware anymore, and that means Nvidia's insane profits just got a serious reality check. To OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are in trouble. If DeepSeek's method works better than traditional LLMs, then companies like OpenAI might have to scrap everything and start over. That means investors who poured billions into AI companies based on outdated tech are now second-guessing everything. For the AI hype train just hit a brick wall. Remember how every company was racing to shove AI into their products? Well, if DeepSeek marks a fundamental shift in how AI works, then all these AI startups building on old tech just became worthless overnight. The AI bubble is popping and fast. For the past 2 years, AI has been in a gold rush. Every company wanted to be the next OpenAI. Every investor threw money at anything with AI in its name, and people were calling this the biggest tech revolution since the internet. But DeepSeek just pulled the rug out from under the entire industry. We're not just looking at an improvement in AI, we're looking at a completely different way of building AI. And that means a lot of billion-dollar companies just found out they bet on the wrong horse. So what does this mean for you? Alright, let's talk about the real question. Should you be terrified or excited if you're in the AI space? If you're a software engineer, expect AI jobs to shift fast, from training massive LLMs to building AI that can actually self-learn. If you're an investor, you might want to double-check where your money is, because a lot of AI companies are about to get wrecked. If you're just here for the memes, congrats, you're watching the greatest AI drama of all time unfold in real time. But here's the good news: AI isn't going anywhere. If anything, this means we're about to see better, cheaper, and way smarter AI models. It's just that a lot of the old AI companies might not be the ones leading the charge anymore. So what happens next? DeepSeek isn't perfect, and we still don't know if it can fully replace traditional AI models, but if reinforcement learning AI becomes the new standard, then we're about to see a total shakeup of the AI industry, with some companies skyrocketing and others disappearing overnight, a shift from brute force AI to intelligent self-learning models, the AI bubble bursting, and a new wave of AI innovation starting. We're standing at the edge of the biggest shift in AI history. Are you ready for it? So what do you think? Is DeepSeek the next big thing, or are we overhyping another AI trend? Let me know in the comments, and if you liked this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to AI Decoder for deep AI insights, hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. This is AI Decoder, and I'll see you in the next one.